Hello everybody, I'm Sasha Robinson. I'm the co-founder of Firefly Vapor. Take the unit, open it up, place the concentrate pad into the bowl. You want to seat it down firmly by pressing it down with your finger. Make sure it's really firmly in there. And then load it up with about a rice grain sized amount of concentrates and put that right in the middle of your pad. Close it up, make sure it's sealed properly. And then you press the activation buttons to start it up. When it's blinking green, it's still preheating, and when it's solid green, it's good to go. So in this case, it's ready to go. Take cigar puffs until you actually see and taste the vapor. Once the pad is heated, a normal draw is all you need. If it's been sitting for a couple minutes, simply repeat the cigar puffs until it's ready. Now there's lots of different types of concentrates, and each one might require a slightly different heat up time or a slightly different draw length. So play around with it and see what you like. Have fun.